कॉलेज ऑफ होटल मैनेजमेंट एंड केटरिंग टेक्नोलॉजी के इस चैनल में एक बार फिर से मैं आपका बहुत 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 स्वागत करता हूँ। फ्रेंड्स, लास्ट टाइम हमने एक कॉन्टिनेंटल बेसिक रेसिपी देखी थी जिसका नाम था व्हाइट सॉस या बेशेमल सॉस। आज हम उसी सॉस से एक और अच्छी रेसिपी देखने वाले हैं, तो आप लोगों को पता चलेगा कि व्हाइट सॉस का यूज हम कैसे कैसे कर सकते हैं। आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि लास्ट वीडियो में हमने जो बेशेमल सॉस बनाया था और उसे इस ग्लास बोल में हमने स्टोर करके रखा था, तो मैं आप लोगों को दिखाना चाहता हूँ। आई जस्ट वांट टू शो यू दैट इवन आफ्टर वन वीक द टेक्सचर ऑफ द सॉस इज सो नाइस एंड क्रीमी दैट यू कैन स्टोर इट एंड यूज इट व्हेनेवर इट इज रिक्वायर्ड। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, अब देर किस बात की, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ व्हाइट चीज पास्ता।
Now let's see the ingredients for cheese white pasta. Penne pasta 200 grams, white sauce 500 ml, oil 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, pepper to taste, oregano according to your taste, processed cheese grated 50 grams, butter 1 tablespoon, 1 finely chopped onion, garlic few pods finely minced, 2 green chilies finely chopped, tomato 1 number finely chopped.
To begin with the recipe, first in the pan we will add little oil. And in the oil, we will add some butter for the flavor. Oil and butter is well heated. Now in this, we will add some chopped garlic and some green chilies. Green chilies you can add according to your own taste of pungency. And then let's saute it for 1 minute. हमें यह ध्यान में रखना है कि ऑयल में ग्रीन चिलीज एंड गार्लिक हमें ब्राउन नहीं करना है, इसको सिर्फ सौते करना है till it produces its nice aroma. And now we will add some chopped onion in this. And we have to saute the onion till it becomes soft and transparent. Now our chopped onions has turned soft, and at this point we will add little chopped tomatoes. With chopped tomatoes, my friends, you can add your other favorite vegetables as well as yellow and red bell peppers too. While sauteing the tomatoes, we will put little salt for the seasoning and little pepper. Remember, your pasta dish should not become over spicy or over pungent. Mix it well till it gives you a nice flavor. When tomatoes turn little mashy and little soft, we are going to lower the flame a little bit, and then we are going to add our pasta in this. You can use any pasta in this, that is falafel, macaroni or any of your favorite pasta. We are going to saute the pasta to give it a nice flavor, so that even it will get nicely sauteed with the mixture of oil, butter, garlic and chilies. A nice smooth soft pasta. And saute a pasta a bit. While sauteing this pasta also, we are going to sprinkle little salt for the flavor, so the final taste of the pasta will not be bland. We will just mix it a bit, and then we are going to bind this pasta dish with our prepared thick white sauce. Now put our thick creamy white sauce in the prepared pasta dish. And when you add white sauce, with that only you can put half of the grated cheese to give it a very nice aroma as well as the taste. While binding this sauce into the pasta, this grated cheese will give a very nice flavor. Now all this thing we are going to mix together a bit, make it creamy nicely mix together each and everything so that the sauce will get coated with your entire pasta. Let it cook for 2 minutes on a slow flame. For the more good flavor, add some chili flakes, so it will give you a nice pungent taste. Some oregano and some chopped parsley. Wow, it looks so delicious. And believe me, it is yummy too. We have cooked this dish on a lower flame for 2 minutes for the proper infusion of the flavors of all the herbs we have used in it. And now the dish is ready to dish out. Now our cheese white pasta is ready for the presentation. Piping hot and yummy. You can just look at the texture, and now we will nicely garnish it. So friends, यमी क्रीमी व्हाइट चीज पास्ता इज रेडी टू एंजॉय। अगर आप लोगों को ये डिश पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज उसे कमेंट कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए। फिर मिलेंगे और एक नई रेसिपी के साथ। तब तक बी सेफ, बी हैप्पी। थैंक यू सो मच।